Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in AutoCAD. I am architect Sonu Rai from Gladius Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to download and install YQArc plugin for all version of AutoCAD. So I will try with AutoCAD 2024. So I am going to search YQArc in my search bar, and you can see this option here, and you just click here. It's in Chinese language, and here on the top browser you will get to convert in English. So you just click English language, and now you can see these are the versions of YQArc. So you select the latest version. So this is YQArc 6.7.4, and after this you can click onto this detailed description what it says 6.7.4 simplified Chinese / English bilingual version. Just click onto this, and now you will get a installation rar file here. Just select keep, and now it's getting downloaded, and we'll wait till it's get downloaded. It's downloaded here, and we'll open the folder here, and this is in our download folder. So I'm going to extract this in my C drive, and now I will click here and we'll make a YQArc folder here, and I'm going to paste this. I'm going to extract here. So this is our YQArc, and you can see our system, and this is setup.exe. Now I'm going to click onto this setup.exe, and we want to allow this app from an unknown publisher. Just I'm going to select. Now I'm going to open AutoCAD and see whether it's downloaded or not. So I'm going to open AutoCAD 2024. And you can see the publisher of this Israel could not be verified. So I'm going to select on load once. Again, click load once. So you can see this is YQArc commands here, and this is YQArc. This is in Chinese language. So I'm going to select on this, and can select this first options and change the language from 1 to 0 for English. And now you can save this, and you can close this, and you can click OK. And now you can see this is YQArc command we are ready to use in your AutoCAD 2024. So we'll see in the next video tutorial. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.